Welcome to this quick guide on the latest Telegram update and how to enable sending video files to your group on PC. If you manage a Telegram group and want to share video files with members, this update makes it easier and more streamlined than ever. Let's walk through the steps so you can start sharing right away. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into the account that has admin rights for the group you want to manage. Once you're in, select the group from your chat list. You'll see the group's header at the top of the window along with the usual chat tools. Next, click on the three horizontal lines at the top of the page. This opens a compact side menu with several management options for the group. Look for an option that says Manage Group or something similar depending on your app version and click into it. This is where you'll adjust the group's settings and permissions. Within the management area, locate permissions. This section controls what members are allowed to do, including sending media, open permissions to reveal the different toggles and controls for media sharing, links, and other group activities. You're aiming to adjust who can send media and what types of media are permitted. Now, find the setting labeled Send Media, or a closely related option. This is where you'll specify the kinds of media members can share. You'll want to enable video files specifically. Look for a checkbox or toggle labeled video files and ensure it is turned on. This grants the group permission to receive and display video files from members in the chat. With video files enabled, click Save to apply the changes. Saving confirms that the new permission is active and will apply to current and future messages in the group. It's a good idea to remind your members about the updated policy so everyone knows videos can be shared, which helps avoid confusion or accidental restriction. If you ever need to adjust again, you can revisit permissions at any time. The steps remain straightforward. Open the group, access the management area via the three lines, go to permissions, enable video files under Send Media, and save. This update keeps your group flexible and engaging, allowing richer content without extra steps. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to share video files in your Telegram group on PC thanks to the new update. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more quick Telegram tips and feature rundowns.